guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Okay, so I think of course all of you are like, huh, where is she at? So okay, let me tell you guys a little backstory. So I don't actually live in the same place I was living from the last few years. I am not at my home. I am working in another city, Mohali, and so this is my room. This is my PG room, and I am here. So yes, I don't want to stop my makeup temptations. So yes, I am here. So as you can see, I am already full of makeup. Everything has been done. Highlighter, blush, everything is done. And the only thing that I don't have is an eyeshadow. The eye makeup is missing, and I'm craving for it because how much I love my eye makeup. So today, what I really have to use is a whole new palette. Now this is a palette from Beauty Glazed. So this is actually an international brand. It was not sold in India particularly, not like somebody is actually selling it in India. It's just that you have to order it from their website and it comes from China. So this is actually an international brand that I have bought stuff from an international brand. So particularly this is my first international palette and Jesus, I'm proud of it. So this is what it is. It's a pretty beautiful palette and I'm sure you guys have seen it on my Instagram already because I always give sneak peeks of what I have really bought. So I have bought it through Blush with Burkha. She's my friend. And I do buy a lot of makeup from her. So yes, this is also from her side. She ordered it on my behalf. And now, okay, the thing is, I ordered this palette in Feb and now it's June. I got this in the month of May. It took it 3 good months to come to me because, oh my god, customs, the country, the shipping stuff and all. It came from China and it took it 3 months, or not 3 months to come to me. Yes. But as they say, the more you wait, the better the fruit is. This is what it is. And if I will open that, I'm telling you, you guys are going to trip because it is that pretty. This palette, this is this palette. Can you see? Yes. Can you see? Oh my god, it is such a pretty palette. I mean, these are like my fantasies coming true. It really is pretty. And if you guys know me, you know this portion of the palette is what belongs to me. I am not a neutral kind of person. So these two sides are not actually what tempts me the most, but this portion is like my thing. So as you know me, I'm going to dive right into this portion because that is what I'm here for. And yes, so the price of this palette, as far as I remember, I'm not sure, it was 1450 along with I think shipping and whatever. I am not sure. I will put everything in the description box because I have to recall everything because it was 3 months back. So yes. So I think without wasting further time, let's just dive into the palette. I'll put my takes because that is what I do. I'll be back, I'll zoom you in and we'll start with the palette. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also follow me on social media, all the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected and just follow me everywhere. So I am quite zoomed in now because I want you to actually see, what the really colors are like and Dr. Tape to the rescue because I don't actually have the yellow tape. So this palette, when I have seen it on the internet, on Instagram and a lot of places, it actually looks very promising from the swatches, but just like any other palette in this planet, because the swatches look promising for, I guess, every palette. My lovely brush is broken now, but I'm not going to leave it because this is my trustworthy blending brush. And I have to start with it. And as you all know, I'm going to be colorful today. That is what I always do. So we are actually going to start off with a very light color. I don't have any powder on my eyelids as usual, and I am actually going to start off with let's start with this color. I don't know why I'm wearing blue. I don't know how to go with like a blue overboard today because I recently did a blue eye and I don't know. I don't want to have like a blue again. So I'll go on with this color over here. It has no name, obviously. So yes, it is quite powdery. It does have a little kickback. But at the end of the day, they give you so many colors in just 1400 rupees. What can you expect? So let me take my mirror and Let me put it. Let's just see. God, please help me. Now, I don't know if your minds are blown, but mine is blown already. I mean, this is so pretty. Did you see how? Oh my God! Just look at it. This is really nice. It was a pretty light shade. I mean, not that light though, but yes, it was light enough. But it did turn out very well. I'm amazed and shocked. We are going to blow it out because I love like a full blown out look. That is what I always do. I want to dive into this hot pink over here. I don't know why this is calling my name. It's like, please do a hot pink today. So let us move into this hot pink and we put it into the crease because why not? You see how bright this color is. All into the crease. We want a bright crease. Can you see? It's really pigmented. I want to try this particular color. No, this particular color over here. So I'll try to deepen my crease with this. It's pretty pigmented. This time I'm just touching it because it's very pigmented. Now I want to cut my crease so that I can go for the color. So I'm actually taking my wet and wild concealer. And I want orange shimmer today, so I'm going to put this shimmer. Now what I'm going to do is, I am again going to take my transition brush into the pink shades and I'm just going to, put some symmetry to it. Okay, so this looks pretty fine. Now let me quickly do my wing liner and then I'll come back and then we'll move to the lower lash line. Let's do that. Okay, so wing has been done and I've put a purple pencil in the lower lash line to provide some surface for the further shadows to stick. So yes, I'm going with some purple colors because I want to. So I'm actually going with this particular purple color. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm taking this broader side and I'm going to take this purple and smudge it. This purple actually, I'm taking this pink color and we're going to smudge it. Now for the last brush, what I'm going to do is I'm taking a blending brush again and I am just going to take a little bit of this orange color and I'm going to blend it in the lower lash line. Now for the last time, what I'm really thinking is I will actually take my golden liner now and put on my crease over here. And let it dry. So yeah, this is done. Now I'll quickly do the lashes. I'll put on mascara and some fake lashes and then I will tell you more about this palette. So yes guys, this is the final look and let me say this palette is pretty amazing. I mean it works wonders and I'm like gagging over here because it's really pretty. I mean coming to this palette, yes it is very pretty. I mean if you can see, this is a lot pigmented because really I've seen it had a lot of pigment other than most of the palettes out there, big branded palettes like Maybelline or everything. Yes, it is very pigmented and very pretty. I mean this. So these colors do call me a lot. I mean I don't have this color. No, I don't have these colors. So I've never tried it. I have never tried a purple, and there are a lot more colors that I've never tried, which I'm of course going to try because this palette is like worth 100 efforts because it is very pretty. So yes, this is it for today's video and this palette from my side is a big thumbs up, and if you want to buy it, I will definitely share the details with you in the description box. Yes, so I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm forgetting the jam. Sorry, it has been a long time since I've shot everything. So yes.